KELA 1663 is the new Ritmo clamp aligner chosen by professionals. Multifunctional and compact, it allows you to work correctly, even in narrow spaces. KELA is quick and easy, ready to work in line at 45 degrees or 90 degrees in a few seconds. The aligner is supplied with two types of clamps to be configured according to use: thick clamps and thin clamps. The thick clamps offer a better grip on a larger surface for perfect alignment. The thin clamps are recommended for alignment at 45 degrees and 90 degrees, or to make KELA even more compact on site. KELA is a smart tool. A few simple steps are enough to change the range of work. Supplied with a carrying bag and available in metric, CTS and IPS inch versions. Ritmo, experience by your side.